My name is Brett Wadford, and I am a candidate for the Masters of Public Administration. Today, I'd like to talk about my journey, my past, my present, and future. What led me to enrolling in the Masters of Public Administration program at the College of Charleston? Maya Angelou once stated that my mission in life is not merely to survive, but to thrive, and to do so with some passion, some compassion, some humor, and some style. I adopted this quote many years ago as my personal mantra. I've strived to learn and grow while becoming a better person and a better leader. My journey began with my undergraduate studies at Newberry College in Newberry, South Carolina, where I obtained a Bachelor of Arts in Political Science with minors in Business Administration and Spanish. After graduation, my path led me to the private sector, where for most of my career was spent in sales, marketing, and recruitment. I found, though, that I could not merely survive with daily routines of life, but to also serve in another way. That other purpose was to help others and to improve my community. This passion of serving others created a path of volunteerism in my early professional career as a board member, mentor, and participant in community improvement projects. My life required additional purpose, which led me to turn my passion into a career working in the nonprofit sector as a fundraising development professional. Over the last 3 years, I've worked with the Center for Area Property Preservation, otherwise known as the Center, as the Director of Development. It's been an exciting time as I've built a development department that did not exist before. Plus, I'm part of an organization whose mission is at the heart of social injustice and ensuring underserved families protect and sustain their family land, history, and culture. To enhance my career as a development fundraising professional, 2 years ago, I decided to apply to the MPA program to obtain those additional skills and knowledge to elevate my career as a nonprofit professional in the public sector. The competencies are a great blueprint for continuing to serve in the public sector as a better leader. I'll discuss what they mean to me and some key points that resonated with me. Leading and managing in the public interest is an intricate process where leaders must navigate various needs, competing interests, and personalities. I believe it's imperative to adapt to situations and know when to lead and when to manage. Additionally, determining the why and what motivates others leads to the longevity and success of an organization. Lastly, removing our blinders and unconscious biases allows constituents to be served rather than steered, allowing for more participation in government and nonprofit affairs. Participating in and contributing to the policy process is another aspect as a public leader. There's importance of deliberative processes and the benefits of having all players involved in the policymaking. Therefore, as a leader, it's important to encourage and set the stage for an open forum that can lead to representative and not exclusive policies. The ACF is a great tool to use in helping to create new policies and alternatives to providing solutions. Analyzing, thinking critically, and solving problems is another competency crucial for public leaders. The use of scientific method aids in formalizing my thought processes and the decision-making process. Often, many unplanned situations or challenges occur within my role in organization. During my time, as part of assignment, developed a survey which helped to formulate all of this and to analyze and think critically. This particular survey that I designed will also be used and implemented at the center. As public leaders, we should learn to articulate, apply, and advance a public service perspective. Part of this competency, we learn the difference between the private and public sector and the differences, but then also how they can work together to co-create new ideas and strategies with strategic partnerships. As public leaders, we also have the chance to correct past wrongs, injustice, and expose power to the few, recognize biases, and develop ways to communicate in culturally responsive ways with a diverse and changing workforce. I cannot make assumptions that each person understands or interprets the message in the same way. Therefore, it's vital to communicate in varied ways across all cultures and communities. It's also important to lead to recognize our own biases and create inclusive environments. In closing, I hope to be a public servant who energizes and empowers others to be their best version, fosters relationships by encouraging participation and creation of new ideas and perspectives, provides a voice and seat at the table for the unspoken and underrepresented,